Hello, my name is Ricky Hampton, reggae singer for the G program. I saw a very inspirational movie the other day called Bob Marley One Love. I encourage everyone to go see it.
Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing those sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying, this is a message to you. Oh, don't worry about a thing, no, 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 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright, yeah. Don't worry about a thing, no, 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 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright, yeah. Stay positive, have hope, and live out the day with a smile on your face.